Welcome back to my channel. Today I have one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise Panasonic washing machine. As per the customer, it's complaint while washing time it's making like a smoke and machine getting stuck. And we went to the customer house and we checked actually with the load also we checked, very difficult to find out. Because of that we collected a machine to the workshop. Now already we bought to the workshop this machine. Now I have to remove the machine and we have to check everything. Now I'm going to remove the machine. After that we have to check something inside, maybe cloth clogger stuck with the drum, in between drum and tub, otherwise spider or sharp. Because of that we have to remove the machine. We will check what is the problem exactly. After that anyway we have to give the solution for the customer, because the customer also very hurry to repair the machine. Now I will remove the machine and I will go to the next step. Now see, actually the look like it is in between tub and gasket. It is actually not the normal, it is abnormal. It is the gap is very close. Because of that I am suspecting the spider shaft. Now I am removing outer tub. Now we can check also here. इधर टच हो गया ना,
इसलिए स्मेल आ रहा है।
इसलिए स्मेल. See, this one already touch. Here indicator. Here its mark is here. The mark is here. See, this already touch drum with the gasket. Yeah, that's why his customer telling it is like a smoke coming and bad rubber smell, burning smell. This is the problem. This one you can see it's already touched with the drum and gasket. This is the problem. Now I'm going to remove the spider also, the drum out. Spider shaft. After that we can, the look like we cannot find out actually any damage, but after removing we can find the damage. Now this is, now see, this shaft already gone here. This is cast like a pewter metal. It is with the salt water actually here in Middle East. This is common issue. Now we have to change the shaft, otherwise we have to do something modification. Now this one very hurry to actually repair the customer. Because of that I'm going to do some modification. Now this we check actually already with the company, it is not available at the moment, the shaft. Because of that I have to do some modification. Now I'm going to prepare the another shaft for this machine, and we have to take here this is the 6 and 6205, the bearing size here and here, the same measurement we have to do the modification. Now I having another shaft. Now what I'm going to do, this shaft I'm going to make the same size. Here 6206 and here 6205, the bearing sizes the same here also, but the shaft is little bit long. Because of that we have to cut, we have to do the lathe work. We have to go to the lathe machine, and I will show you how to make this one. After that direct we can fix to the drum and we can fix machine and we can hand over to the customer. First of all I have to take the measurement. Now we are taking measurement. For that we have to compare with which is broken one. We have to take all the measurement like this. Now this shaft also, which is old one, and this shaft, the sizes are same. The what we call the seal measurement and bearing with the seal 6206 bearing same. This old shaft also we have to cut only the end only. End we have to this shaft little bit bigger. It's long. We have to take it short. Only after that only we can fix here. We have to make end 6205 bearing size here only shaft. Take the measurement and we have to cut here. Now I have to explain to them how to do that. Now he is taking the measurement. Now still he is cutting the 6205 end bearing area. After finish this one we have to cut the pulley fixing. Now almost finished. Now already finished 2 bearing area. Now we have to cut only the pulley fixing area. After that finish. Now already finished the lathe machine work. All 2 bearings area and seal area, everything done. Shaft already cut by the lathe machine. Now we have to fix only the pulley, the V-belt pulley fixing area like this. We have to cut that. After finish this, I can fix to the washing machine. Now everything perfect. Finally we have to make the pulley tight nut. That is 17 number 1 nut. We have to make the hole thread with the thread. Now I already prepare, I already make as same damage one. This size, everything is perfect. This is damage one. Now I have to fix and check this one, which is I make. Now I am going to fix to the yes, it's okay, no any issue. And also this side also they make actually very nicely, without any problem we can fix. This one I will add grease for the seal area. Also here. After that I'm going to fix this one. Perfect. Very good. Huh? Now this is my now it's done already. Now I have to fix full set to the body. After that we can deliver it to the customer.